Hi, I'm Jonathan Alsford.
And I'm Paula Alsford. We're the business owners of Realmark Whitfords real estate agency based in Hillarys.
Our mission is quite simply to offer amazing real estate experiences across the northern suburbs.
Because we live and work here.
We have a vested interest in offering genuinely good customer service to our neighbours.
Our children go to school and play sports locally. Our whole life revolves around this beautiful community.
Having worked in real estate for 21 years, we believe clients today want the same as they did in the 90s.
They want an honest, trustworthy relationship and open, frequent communication.
Whether it's sales, finance or property management needs, our successful and award-winning team are passionate about building relationships with their clients and helping them achieve their property dreams.
Operating across the northern suburbs, we know our market intimately.
And have maintained relationships with our customers for years.
At Realmark Whitfords, we can also help with whatever financial ambitions our customers have.
We have one of the nation's most highly regarded finance brokers, Adam Donald of Capita Finance, working with us as an additional service we can provide to our clients.
We are your most local agency and we live here. We can genuinely say we're passionate about our community.
So call us today
for all your real estate needs.